How you doing?
Good.
What are you doing? What is it saw? What's this blade stuff over here? Why is there so much blade stuff? What's going on?
Well, these are my little, it's my little nunchucks.
I got you.
I mean, business card holders. Got that, I got my
You
postcards.
been building, huh?
Oh, this is old. This is back when I was doing my trade show booth. This is
See, I haven't seen this one. I'm from the days of the big elaborate one from the olden days. I met you over at the music store. That one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Lord.
That's celebrating.
That thing is.
12
it's got a lot of time in it, doesn't it?
A year.
Well, we should talk about this.
Mm-hmm.
Your visions and my visions and what's finished. What is finished? How you see something going out the door and how I'd see it going out the door. I'd buff that out. I was like that. And it's good. I mean, I like it.
Well, this actually
functions.
It's been sitting in stores for 3 years, so this
there you
just
go.
literally pulled it out. But
Clock on it.
yeah.
I got a damn sleeve here that won't stay on the topic. I'll throw it over at the desk ever since. There we go.
Nice.
What, did you quit already? You quitter?
No.
Instagram cut off.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. I got you.
Anyway, yeah, my phone is full too. Yeah, I remember this distinctly. And this is cool. Have you seen this? Have you seen this one?
Not in person, but yeah.
What are you waiting on?
I know. I would love to. You want to bring it here in my office? It'll be nice. I mean, I got the table already, so.
Do you know how big that is?
Yeah, I do. It's
It take up this whole
Yeah.
wall over here. Yeah. Man, so you did this one here. What year? Recently?
2013. I did that right before we did 5 shows in Daytona, and I wanted I wanted a Mad Max type of look. If we're going on to Daytona,
part of it.
Yeah. Did it.
So, I mean, that's the whole deal we're going to talk about. I mean, you send those out, polished tips, or you leave the smoke on them. I mean, it's little stuff like that.
Yeah.
And I find in more and more crap. I mean, I go to Hobby Lobby and I find more stuff for welding for the lab. I mean, galvanized bucket, you can keep your tungsten to keep your cups in, separated. I put a piece of aluminum in one little oval dish. It cost me 75 cents.
Yeah.
Not highly functional. You don't find anything like that to make your life convenient. So, yeah.
I think it's a matter of finding also refab and stuff that can utilize it a different way.
I think I've saved a lot of stuff from going into the scrap iron cemetery, and I'm really kind of proud of it. It's like a game.
Yeah.
Mine starts clicking. It's weird, but call me weird. I don't care.
Yeah, a lot of people I call them thingies. I take all the little scrap drops, whether they're 2-inch square tube in round, and make a little plate on them. Put my pens and scissors, whatever. Just they sell a lot of those.
I got a friend of mine that now works for SpaceX. He screwed up some plenums. He was welding. I mean, looked like he sneezed in mid-weld. A little blip. So they're rejects to him. I'm going, let's send them, give them all to me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm putting pens and markers and scribes and all that stuff. I'm making scribes.
Okay.
Spark plug and a drill bit. I'm making wedges, railroad spikes. You can't dull them out. You can't beat them up. Just braiding handles for hammers. I outlive my hammer handles. Therefore, I have to braid them out of steel. I can't soak them anymore. They don't stay in there, So, yeah, it's been fun. And then little functional items around the house. I mean, to me, it's a challenge, and you get to work with all the different stuff. But I still want to do something out of mixed mediums. That's not level right there. Look.
Oh,
I
Shawn.
still want to do something out of mixed mediums.
Like that.
There you go.
See?
So what are you guys going to do for everybody?
Mixed mediums is like taking a table, like this table here, and maybe incorporating. I mean, you did the glass and I'm assuming you did this. Camera guy didn't build this, did he?
No.
Okay. See, a ring of wood inside this right here or something, just to bring another contrasting texture to it. That's all I was talking about. So I've done a couple of them. I've taken weld fittings and turned them into cactus. The elbow, pipe, caps, and turn them into cactus and put a piece of glass on them. That's cool. So we'll get together and we'll do some thinking, brainstorming, and see what we can come up with.
Sounds good.
I guarantee it's going to be entertaining, whether it's educational or not. It's
Well, we got to have some fun too, though.
Oh, I know. That's that was my whole philosophy was educational, inspirational, and entertaining. In that order, I guess. If we could pull it off, we could. If we couldn't, oh well.
It's still creative.
But those are the ones that got a lot of views. The ones we tried on didn't so well.
That's usually how it works too.
Oh man. Well, it's good to see you, sir. I appreciate your time coming over.
You too?
You still live within a couple hours, right?
I'm a half hour away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Over the bridge?
No, just right over.
Last time I went over that bridge, I was kind of like,
You went St. Pete Bridge?
yeah,
Skyway?
I'm going south.
Tampa.
The big bridge.
No?
Oh,
Then I
okay,
read,
okay.
then I read how it got ran into and rebuilt and all that stuff. That was wild. That was wild. Anyway, we'll hook up Wednesday sometime.
Mm-hmm.
Good to see you.
You too.
You have all day
Try to
Wednesday.
behave between now and then, will you?
Yeah, don't get arrested.
Both of you. Both of you behave.